how to forget a man you love and move on. Hey, what's up, subscribers? Today I'm gonna tell you how to forget a man you love and move on. This topic is very big, but the video is too short. Here in this video I'm gonna tell you 8 steps that you need to do if you want to forget a man you love and you want to move on. So let's get it started. Subscribers, the first thing that you need to do is to get rid of his pictures, and the second step is stop thinking about the happy moments you spent together. Number 3, you have to be above his romantic gestures. Number 4, if he makes your heart start beating fast when you see him. Participate in something you really enjoy. Number 6, surround yourself with people who love you. Number 7, do not start going to the past again. Number 8, spend some time with yourself. Let me repeat them again. First and the foremost is to get rid of all pictures. Stop thinking about the happy moments you spent together. You have to be above his romantic gestures. If he makes your heart start beating fast when you see him. Participate in something you really enjoy. Surround yourself with people who love you. Do not start going to the past again. Spend some time with yourself.